For me, then, I said. Save them for me. I know what I am asking of you, but I ask it for me. He looked down at me, and I saw the pull my words had on him, the struggle in his eyes. He swallowed. Anything else? He said. Anything. But not this. I cannot. I looked at the stone of his beautiful face and despaired. If you love me. No. His face was stiff with tension. I cannot. Go, she says. He waits for you. In the darkness, two shadows, reaching through the hopeless, heavy dusk. Their hands meet, and light spills in a flood like 100 golden urns pouring out of the sun.